Now.
A judge refusing to dismiss the case against the man accused of orchestrating the murder of Tupac Shakur. Thank you for joining us at 4. I'm Kirsten Joyce.
And I'm Brian Loftus. Duane Keefe D. Davis says he was there when the rapper and hip-hop star died, and prosecutors say those statements are really the key to their case.
8 News Now investigator David Charnes in court as a trial gets ever closer.
Clark County District Court Judge Carli Kierny declining to dismiss Duane Keefe D. Davis's murder case Tuesday after hearing arguments from his attorney about why she should drop it.
We cannot have just the confessions, because if you just leave that to the jury is going to just assume guilt because he confessed.
Those confessions in Davis's book and in TV interviews where he said he was there the night in 1996 when Tupac Shakur was shot and killed. Davis has said he handed Shakur's killer the murder weapon.
Mr. Davis chose upon himself to publicly confess to a crime multiple times.
Prosecutors say they accelerated their case against Davis once he published that book in 2019. But Davis's attorney says they waited too long, 27 years to charge him.
They just can't sit here and say, well, he kept talking about it. No, you had that information in the beginning. You should have arrested him back in 2009.
Over the years, Davis met with police in California and Nevada. He thought he had protection from the law regarding the murder case, but prosecutors and the judge disagree.
Only a court in the state of Nevada could say Mr. Davis has immunity from the crime of murder in the state of Nevada.
Right now, a trial in this case is scheduled for March, but that is unlikely to happen. The judge ordering everybody back in February to talk about if they're going to be ready for that date. At the Regional Justice Center, I'm David Charnes, 8 News Now.
And the judge has declined to release Davis on house arrest over concerns he could profit from his criminal case. She previously set his bail at $750,000. Brian?
Welcome back, welcome back. It's Realer Than Rap. And, you know, today we talking about the Keefe D situation, which, you know, Keefe D originally from California, you know, Southside Crips, all that there. But, you know, he got moved to Las Vegas now, to a whole different state. And he was locked up for the Tupac murder that happened in Las Vegas. And he's trying to get out of that jam by saying, you know, I made deals in California with the LA detective saying that if I tell them everything, that I wouldn't be charged for this. But as you see, the Las Vegas, Nevada courts are saying, we have nothing to do with what you did in California or what you talked about or the deals you made. We trying to bring justice for Tupac's family, which y'all know Tupac was gunned down in Las Vegas on the Strip. And this been over 25 years ago, cold case. So, you know, but Keefe D has did multiple interviews placing himself in the car, even said he passed the weapon around, you know, even said that he seen Tupac, you know, he said the girls were hanging out the window. That's how he even knew it was Tupac, you know what I'm saying? They pulled down on him, which Keefe D had wrote books. So, you know, and he has no bond, and he wants to get out of jail on bond so he can, you know, fight his case, you know, from the outside. You know, everybody want to fight that case from the outside, you know. But the judge is saying, no, we're not letting you out because you might get out and write more books, do more interviews, and make money off of this situation. And they don't want that. They looking at it like, you know, we trying to make you pay for what you did, which Keefe D is the only survivor out of the other 3 people that was in the car, which Orlando Anderson, like they said, was gunned down a couple years after Tupac, which Orlando's supposed to be the trigger man. But it's going to be a interesting case because Keefe D is right now one of the only witnesses that's out, unless people start popping up, and you know how that go. But at the same time, you know, y'all let us know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? Should Keefe D be let free? Or should Keefe D have to do the time for the crime? Let us know in the comments, man. Keep it 200, man. We out.